Hi dear teachers, welcome to SHERMIN'S Knowledge Network. ఈరోజు మనం థర్డ్ క్లాస్ EVS part 1 ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దాము. This video is especially for TET plus DSC English medium aspirants. Here is the first question. How many educational standards to be achieved through the third class textbook We Are Surroundings? I repeat, how many educational standards to be achieved through the third class textbook We Are Surroundings? And the options are option 1 2, option 2 4, option 3 5, option 4 6. And the answer is option 4 6. Second question. Children understand the different concepts of the lessons. They compare things with their real life experiences. They are able to give examples, similarities and differences, classify, explain and give reasons. The above text says about which of the following academic standards? And the options are option 1 information, skills, projects, option 2 appreciation, application, option 3 doing experiments and explaining, option 4 conceptual understanding. Dear aspirants, don't fear about the lengthy question. ఇక్కడ మనము కీ పాయింట్స్ని చూసుకుందాము. ఇక్కడ ఏమిచ్చారు? దే కంపేర్ థింగ్స్ విత్ దేర్ రియల్ లైఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ and they are able to give examples, similarities and differences, classify, explain and give reason. The overall question ఏంటి? Children understand the differences. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? Understand the differences. When you open the book, you see the academic standards after 2 or 3 pages. So అది మనకు చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పార్ట్ ఫర్ అవర్ కాంపిటేటివ్స్. సో అది మీరు చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోండి. ఒక్కొక్క అకాడమిక్ స్టాండర్డ్ని అందులో ఇచ్చిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సిమిలారిటీస్ అండ్ కీవర్డ్స్ని మాత్రం చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకొని అండ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ కూడా చేయండి. అండ్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ లైక్ కాన్సెప్చువల్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్, అప్రిషియేషన్ అని ఇవన్నీ ఒక పేజ్లో లైన్ పెట్టి డిఫరెన్సెస్ రాసుకోండి. ఇది ఎందుకంటే రీసెంట్లీ జరిగిన టెట్ అండ్ డిఎస్సి ఎగ్జామ్ సెషన్స్లో ఎవ్రీ సెషన్స్ 2 or 3 questions కంపల్సరీ వచ్చాయి. సో దట్స్ వై ఐమ్ టెలింగ్. సో రీడ్ థరోలీ అబౌట్ ది అకాడమిక్ స్టాండర్డ్స్. So the right option is option 4 conceptual, option 4 conceptual understanding. Third question. The details of the members of a family and their ancestors written in a tabular format is called a options. Option 1 family tree, option 2 family history, option 3 family background, option 4 family plant. And the correct option is ఆప్షన్ 1 ఫ్యామిలీ ట్రీ. ఇక్కడ ఒక కీవర్డ్ ఉంది టాబ్యులర్ ఫార్మాట్ అని, అది జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే థర్డ్ క్లాస్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో ఇలాంటిది ఒకటేమో పారాగ్రాఫ్లో వస్తుంది అండ్ ఇంకోటేమో లెసన్ ఎండింగ్లో ద పాయింట్స్ వి రిమెంబర్ అని ఉంటుంది కదా, అందులో కూడా ఒక లైన్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఎగ్జామినర్ ఆ 2 లైన్స్లో మనకు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉంది. సో జాగ్రత్తగా చదవండి ఏది చదివినా కూడా. Fourth question. The details of parents, grandparents and their ancestors shown in a line diagram is called option 1 family tree, option 2 family history, option 1 is wrong, option 4 1 and 2 are correct. ఇక్కడ కూడా కీవర్డ్ చూడండి, that is line diagram. And the right option is option 1 family tree. Question number 5. The work that involves skill to get income is called option 1 occupation, option 2 profession, option 3 both 1 and 2 is correct, option 4 only 2 is correct. And the right answer is option 2 profession. Question number 6. Certain games are played with the help of animals The following is the game which is played with the help of a horse, where the player riding on a horse and strikes the ball with a long stick called. And the options are option 1 polo mallet, option 2 horse racing mallet, option 3 both 1 and 2 are correct, option 4 none of the above. And the right option is option 1 polo mallet. Question number 7. Which of the following game is also known as Cheduguru? Options: option 1 Kabaddi, option 2 Kho-Kho, option 3 1 and 2, option 4 only option 1 is correct. And the right option is option 4 only option 1 is correct. Question number 8. Some birds migrate to distant places to protect themselves from cold and heat during winter or summer. Such birds are called option 1 migratory birds, option 2 nocturnal birds, option 3 resident birds, option 4 nomadic birds. I repeat the question. Some birds migrate to distant places to protect themselves from cold and heat during winter or summer. Such birds are called option 1 migratory birds, option 2 nocturnal birds, option 3 resident birds, option 4 nomadic birds. Forgive me, the answer is right below the question. I am so sorry. And the correct answer is option 1 migratory birds. Question number 9. Insecticides like kerosene or malthion are used to kill mosquitoes which grow in the options: option 1 running water, option 2 marshy water, option 3 stagnant water, option 4 all of the above. డియర్ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్, చిన్న చిన్న క్వశ్చన్సే కదా అనేసి నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయకండి. బికాస్ వీ డోంట్ నో ఇన్ ది ఎగ్జామ్, ద ప్రెషర్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎగ్జామ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ హై. సో ఈజీ ఉన్నవే మనము అక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోతున్నాము. సో బీ కేర్ఫుల్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద స్మాల్ క్వశ్చన్స్. And the right option is option 3 stagnant water. Question number 10. The animals that are domesticated are called as option 1 feral animals, option 2 pet animals, option 3 farm animals, option 4 all of the above. And the right answer is option 2 pet animals. Question number 11. Birds migrate from distant places to lay eggs in search of food and to find convenient places to live. Such birds are called as option 1 migratory birds, option 2 nomadic birds, option 3 both options are correct, option 4 none of the above. And the right option is option 1 migratory birds. Question number 12. Who is the author of the well-known story Gijagani Guru? Options: option 1 Bhishma Sahani, option 2 R.K. Narayan, option 3 Kamala Das, option 4 Vishnu Sharma. And the right answer is option 1 Bhishma Sahani. Question number 13. The plants like water lily and lotus grow in water, and the plants like aloe vera, kalabanda, cactus, nagajamudu grow in sandy soils and places with less water. Such plants are called as options: option 1 water plants, option 2 desert plants, option 3 both 1 and 2, option 4 none of the above. And the right option is option 3 both 1 and 2. Question number 14. Identify the incorrect option from the following. Option 1 new leaves of a mango tree were light red in color, option 2 old leaves were yellow in color. Option 3, the leaves about to fall were yellow color. Option 4, crotons are the plants known for their colorful leaf patterns. డియర్ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్, ఈ పారాగ్రాఫ్ని మాత్రం చాలా కేర్ఫుల్గా చదవండి. ఎందుకంటే మనకు ఈజీనే అనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ ఇట్ మేబీ మనకు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ ద రైట్ ఆప్షన్ ఈస్ ఆప్షన్ 2, old leaves were yellow in color. Dear aspirants, if you know the right answer for this option, then comment below in the comment section. Question number 15. Leaves of the following trees change their color as they age. Option 1, almond. Option 2, mango. Option 3, both 1 and 2. Option 4, none of the above. And the right option is option 3, both 1 and 2. Question number 16. Leafy vegetables are good for health as they provide the following nutrients. Options. Option 1, proteins. Option 2, carbohydrates. Option 3, vitamins. Option 4, minerals. And the correct option is option 3, vitamins. Question number 17. Identify the correct characteristics of mango leaves during its different stages. Option 1, new leaves are light red. Option 2, mature leaves are dark green. Option 3, dried leaves are yellow in color. Options. Option 1 is correct, while 2 and 3 are incorrect. Option 1 and 2 are correct, while 3 is incorrect. Option 3, all the above options are incorrect. Option 4, 1 and 2 and 3 are correct. And the right option is option 4, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Question number 18. What is the title of the SCERT book for 3rd class in Telangana that focuses on environmental education? Option 1, we are surroundings. Option 2, we are environment. Option 3, we are earth. Option 4, we are nature. And the right option is option 2, we, our environment. 19th question. As Raju is studying in 3rd class, he is able to inform, analyze and generalize, and also he is actively participating in the projects. According to the academic standards of 3rd class, which below the following standard is achieved by Raju? Dear aspirants, what I said before is just focus on the key points. Ikkada emundi key point, he is able to inform, analyze and generalize, and he also is actively participating in the projects. Option 1, doing experiments and explaining. Option 2, appreciation, application, biodiversity. Option 3, conceptual understanding. Option 4, information skills projects. And the right answer is option 1, doing experiments and explaining. Question number 20. Last but not the least, children of the 3rd class are able to recognize and appreciate the greatness of animals, birds, plants and people of the society. Which academic standard they have achieved? See, what is the keyword here? Appreciate the greatness of animals, birds, plants and people of the society, and able to recognize. Options. Option 1, appreciation, application, biodiversity. Option 2, conceptual understanding. Option 3, information skills projects. Option 4, experiments and explaining. And the right answer is appreciation, application, biodiversity. Dear teachers, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. We will meet in next video.